Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make this 2-minute belt. It's so easy. All you need are a couple of D-rings, some webbing, like leftover bag webbing, and an end cap. If you want to put an end cap on, you don't have to. You could just fold the webbing over and sew that also. This is all you need. Maybe a little fray check if you're extra careful about fraying. I think fraying is cool. Let's get to it. Okay, so here I am taking my length of webbing. I normally use 1.5 times my waist measurement, and I'm just going to take one short end through the 2 D-rings, fold it over. I use a clip to hold in place, and I'll be sewing right across there 4 or 5 times to hold it in place. Come to the other end and apply your end cap, if you're using one, with a hammer. Some people add a dot of glue in there. I don't find that I need it. If you don't have an end cap, you can just treat it with fray check or fold it over and sew it down. I'm going to take this to the machine. I'm using a universal chrome needle like I almost always sew with, and I'm going back and forth a couple of times. Well, I went back and forth 4 or 5 times, to be honest. We'll take it back and we will trim the threads away, and the belt is done. So it's literally like a 2-minute craft. I love that kind.